Hello everyone. So today we discuss about the topic linear equation in one variable, exercise 2.2, question number 12. So what is the question? The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So here we have to find the present age of Rahul and Lakshmi. But in the given question they have given in the ratio. So what is that ratio? 5:7. So first we write the step. What is given? That is nothing but given ratio of Rahul and Lakshmi is 5:7. So we do not know the present age of Rahul and Lakshmi, but they have given in the ratio 5:7. So let us assume that let the present age of Rahul and Lakshmi is equals to 5x and 7x. So this 5x present age is Rahul's and the Lakshmi's present age is 7x. Okay, so from this we can find the present age of Rahul and Lakshmi. So this is the first step, and the next one is 4 years later. 4 years later is nothing but after 4 years. After 4 years. So present age of Rahul and Lakshmi is 5x and 7x. So what will be their ages after 4 years? That means, for example, if my age is 20, so what will be my age after 4 years? So it becomes 24. So that means we have to add plus 4 years to the present age. So I write here after 4 years, age of Rahul or Rahul's age of Rahul is equals to 5x plus 4. So present age of Rahul is 5x. So after 4 years it becomes 5x plus 4. So next, after 4 years, age of Lakshmi, or I can write Lakshmi's age. So what is present age of Lakshmi? 7x. So after 4 years her age becomes 7x plus 4. Now the next statement is the sum of their ages will be 56. When will be the sum of their ages 56? 4 years after, the sum of their ages will be 56. So already we have written here after 4 years. So Rahul's age is 5x plus 4 and Lakshmi's age is 7x plus 4. So sum of their ages after 4 years, sum of their ages is how much? 56. Okay, so after 4 years their ages is 5x plus 4. So sum is nothing but addition plus, so Lakshmi's age is 7x plus 4, which is equals to 56, because sum of their ages is 56 after 4 years. Okay, now we add the same variables like terms 5x and 7x. 5x plus 7x is how much? 12x plus 4 plus 4 is 8, which is equals to 56. Now transpose this plus 8 to right side. If I transpose plus 8 to right side, it becomes a minus 8. That is nothing but 12x is equals to 56 minus 8. Okay, so now transpose, 12x is equals to 56 minus 8 is how much? 48. If we subtract 56 minus 8, we get a 48. Now he can see on the left side we have a 12 into x multiplication. So we are multiplying 12 into x. If I transpose multiplication to RHS, it becomes a division, that is 48 by 12. So x is equals to 48 by 12. Cancel this. 12 ones are 12, 4s are 48. So x is equals to 4. So now here we got the value of x. Now we find the present age of Rahul and Lakshmi. So present age of Rahul is equals to 5x. That is implies 5 into what is the value of x? 4, which is equals to 20 years. Okay, now we find the present age of Lakshmi. So present age of Lakshmi is how much? 7x, which is equals to 7 into the value of x is a 4. 7 4s are 28 years. So this is what we have to find the present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi. Present age of Rahul is 20 years and the present age of Lakshmi is 28 years. So this question is very important. So ages problems are very important. Okay, we'll see the next question. So look at the next question, number 13. There are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. A candidate gets 4 marks for every correct answer, and for every unattempted or wrongly answered questions, 1 mark is deducted from the total score of correct answers. If a candidate score 450 marks in a test, how many questions did he answer correctly? So here there are 180 multiple choice questions in a test, but we do not know how many are correct and how many are incorrect. Okay, but for every correct answers 4 marks is awarded. Okay, for every correct answer 4 marks is awarded, and for every incorrect answer 1 mark is deducted. Okay, now from this the total score is 450 marks. Now we have to find the number of correct answers. So we do not know how many number of correct answers. So let us assume that the number of correct answers be, let the number of correct answers is equals to x. So we do not know how many number of correct answers, so we assume that it has a x. Now in the given question, how many multiple choice questions in a test? 180. So now I write total number of questions in a test. Total number of questions in a test is 180. Okay, so number of correct answers is x, total number of questions is 180. Now from these two we can find the number of incorrect answers. Can we find from this number of incorrect answers? Yes. So number of incorrect answers is equals to, so total number of questions is 180. In that I have written x number of correct answers. Now if I subtract 180 and x, we get the total number of incorrect answers, that is 180 minus x. That means total number of questions minus number of correct answers gives a number of incorrect answers. Okay, now marks awarded for every correct answer. How much? How many marks? 4 marks is awarded for every correct answer. How many correct answers? X. That is nothing but 4 into x is 4x. Okay, so number of correct answers is x, and each question is awarded 4 marks. So 4 into x is 4x. Now we can write marks awarded for every incorrect answers. incorrect answers. How many marks awarded? It's nothing but marks deducted. Marks deducted. Marks deducted for every incorrect answers is 1 mark. 1 mark is deducted for every incorrect answers. And how many number of incorrect answers are there, ma? 180 minus x. That means 1 mark is deducted for every incorrect answers. 1 mark is deducted for number of incorrect answers is 180 minus x. That implies 1 into 180 is 180 minus 1 into x is x. Okay, now from the given question we can say 1 mark is deducted from the total score of correct answers. And now we write the total score. Total score is how much? 450. So this is given. Now according to the problem, 1 mark is deducted from the total score of correct answers. What is the score of correct answers? Score of correct answer is 4x. 1 mark is deducted from the total score. So from is nothing but a subtraction. So deducted 1 mark answers are 180 minus x. 180 minus x, which is equals to total score 450. Okay, now so I write 4x as it is minus 180, minus into minus is plus, x is equals to 450. Okay, now 4x plus x is how much? 5x minus 180 is equals to 450, right? As it is. Now you can transpose this minus 180 to right side, so we get a plus 180. So 5x is equals to 450 plus 180. If I transpose minus 180, it becomes a plus 180. Now 5x is equals to 450 plus 180 is how much? 630. So if you add a 450 plus 180, we get 630. Okay, now transpose this 5 to RHS, nothing but a multiplication. If I transpose multiplication, we get a division, that is 630 by 5. Now we can cancel 5 ones are 5, 1 remains, 5 2s are 10, so 3 remains, 5 6 are 30. That means value of x is 126. So what is this x called, ma? Number of correct answers. So number of correct answers is equals to 126. So from this we can find the number of incorrect answers. Number of incorrect answers. Number of incorrect answers is 180 minus x. 180 minus x, which is equals to 180 minus value of x is 126. Okay, how much? 180 minus 26 is how much? Subtract these two, so we get a 54. Okay, so number of correct answers is 126 and number of incorrect answers is 54. So if you add these two, 126 and 54, we get a 180. Okay, so this is a question number 13.